Hello friends, today I have the Samsung M02S which contains an Infinity V display, triple camera and a 5000 mAh battery. So let's see how it looks. So let me unbox it for you guys. So it's a little bit okay. So here it is, the main phone. And so let's keep it aside and see what is the content of the box. So here we get a adapter and a C-type cable and a SIM card pin. So let's keep it aside and see how our phone looks. So here it is. It's quite light, not that much heavy. So here is our phone. Yeah, it's quite light and you can see the design is very good in the back. It's very much unique design that it has embedded two types of things. That is, one is a matte finish and here it is a little bit dark black. So let's boot the phone and see how it looks. Yeah, so it started. Samsung Galaxy M02S. It's kind of nice phone, like in this price range, that is 11,000. It is a very good phone. It's light, very light and very sleeky design, and you can get a triple camera with it. So that's the main thing and the best part of it. So it is getting booted and I have already set my phone, so we don't need to set it again. So here it is. Display is also good, you can see.